In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer data from broken Samsung to a new Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an old Samsung device which is broken, either the screen is unusable, either the whole device will not power on, regardless of the reason, you can transfer all of your data from it to a new device. For this particular method, you will need a lot of tools, but it is still easy to do. You will have to connect your phone, so the broken phone, a keyboard, and a mouse to a USB hub. And by using the USB hub, you will be able to connect it to a monitor. So, of course, for this method, you do need a lot of stuff. However, it is reliable and you will be able to transfer all of your data without exceptions. Of course, the phone still needs to at least power on. If it is completely unusable, then sadly, I don't believe there is any method to help you with that. But if you are still able to at least power on the device, this should work. So you plug the old phone into a USB hub, you plug a keyboard into a USB hub and then a mouse. Then when you plug the USB hub into a monitor, usually by using a HDMI cable, you will be able to access your phone through the screen. So it is going to be mirrored. So even though the screen on the phone is physically broken, it is going to be accessible digitally on the monitor or TV. So now that you can operate your old phone connected to a TV or monitor, what you have to do is grab the new device. So on the new device, go into the Smart Switch application. This app allows you to transfer over all of your data from an old Samsung smartphone to a new one. This should be installed by default, but if it is not, go into the Samsung store and look for Smart Switch. Once you have the application downloaded, open it up and the very first thing that you will see is transfer your data. So on the new device, again, choose the option to receive the data from the old one. So on the new device, open Samsung Smart Switch and choose Receive Data. Choose Galaxy or Android as the source, and you will be able to select wireless. Again, all of this is being done on the new device. Now, on the old device, you will get a prompt to confirm the connection. Because the old device is connected to the TV or the monitor, you can use your mouse cursor to select it. So even though the screen is broken, you will be able to use the mouse cursor to choose the connect option on the old device being mirrored onto the TV or monitor. And once you approve the connection that you chose wireless here, you will be able to select what to transfer. So choose everything, proceed, and all of your data will be transferred over to the new device. With this done, you can now disconnect it from the TV or monitor and your data will be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from broken Samsung to new Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.